Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekaleva. Now we are going to do the remaining problems in exercise 1 from the chapter Time, Speed and Temperature. The first question, the Sadapti Express stops at Gurgaon at 150 seconds. For how many minutes and seconds does it stop? Here he stops for 150 seconds. We are going to find it out in minutes and seconds. Here 150 seconds. We know that 1 second is equal to 1 by 60 minutes. Now we are going to convert 150 seconds to minutes. So 150 divided by 60 minutes. Okay, here 150 is not divisible by 60. So we have to use division. 150 by 60. In 150, 2 times 60, that is 120. Now we have to subtract. Here 150 minus 120, we will get 30. So quotient 2 is the greater unit, minute, and remainder is seconds. Okay, so that is 2 minutes 30 seconds. So for how many minutes and seconds does it stop? It stops for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Is it clear, children? The given timing is in seconds. We are converting it into minutes and seconds. Okay. Then Rajesh is a good swimmer. Every day he practices 2 hours in the morning and 1.5 hours in the evening. How many minutes? We need the answer in minutes. Does he practice every day? Here we are going to find out the total timing he practices in a day. He practices 2 hours in the morning and 1.5 hours in the evening. We are going to find the total timing. We need the answer in minutes. So we are going to convert the given timing to minutes. So time taken in the morning is equal to 2 hours. First we are going to convert it into minutes. Okay, so 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Here 2 hours is equal to 2 into 60 minutes. Okay, that is 2 into 6, 12. Then we have to add 0. That is 120 minutes. So 2 hours is equal to 120 minutes. This is the time taken in the morning. Now, time taken in the evening is equal to 1.5 hours. Here we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Then half an hour is equal to 30 minutes. So 60 plus 30, that is 90 minutes. 1.5 hours is equal to 90 minutes. Now we got the time taken in the morning and time taken in the evening in minutes. Now we are going to find the total timing. So we have to add time taken in a day. Is equal to 120 minutes plus 90 minutes. Now we have to add these two. Here 0 plus 0, 0. 9 plus 2, 11. 1 here, 1 carry over. 1 plus 1, 2. 210 minutes. So every day he practices for 210 minutes. Okay. Rajesh practices for 210 minutes every day. Is it clear, children? Here, time taken in the morning is given 2 hours. We are converting into minutes because we need the answer in minutes. Then, we convert the time taken in the evening 1.5 hours into minutes, that is 90. To find the total time taken, we are adding these two, that is 210 minutes. The next one, Gulzar is allowed to watch TV for 30 minutes every day. How many hours and minutes of TV does he watches every week? Here, for one day, he is watching for 30 minutes. We are going to find out the time. He is watching TV for 1 week. So, we have to multiply it by 7. Duration of the time. He watching TV in 1 day is equal to 30 minutes. Now we are going to find out for 1 week. Okay. For 1 week is equal to 30 minutes into 7. Then we will get the answer. 3 sevens are 21. Then we have to add 1 0. That is 210 minutes. For 210 minutes he is watching TV. Now we have to find out the answer in hours and minutes. So we are going to convert it into hours and minutes. So we know that 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 hours. Here we are having 210 minutes. So 210 divided by 60 hours. Here 210 is not divisible by 60. So we have to use normal division. 210 divided by 60. In 210, 3 times 60 is there. 3 times 180. Now we have to subtract. Here 0, 21 minus 18, 3, 30. So this is quotient is hours. 3 hours and 30 minutes. Is it clear? First, from the 1 day, we are finding the time taken for 7 days, that is 1 week. Then we have converted into hours and minutes. So for how many hours and minutes he watches the TV? So we have to write the answer. He watches TV for 3 hours and 30 minutes every week. Is it clear? Then the next question, Gurpreet runs 1,500 meters in 5 minutes 43 seconds. 1,500 meters in 5 minutes 43 seconds. How many seconds is that? The time is given in minutes and seconds. We have to find out the answer in seconds. So we know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Here we are having 5 minutes and 43 seconds. Okay. First we are going to convert minutes to seconds. 43 is already in second. So we are going to convert 5 minutes. So 5 into 60 seconds plus already 43 seconds are there. So 43 seconds. Okay, here 5 6 are 30. Then we have to add the 0 here. So that is 300 seconds plus 43 seconds. Now we have to add these two. 300 plus 43, 343 seconds. So 5 minutes 43 seconds is equal to 343 seconds. So Gurpreet runs 1500 meters in 343 seconds. Is it clear, children? Hope you all understand. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.